नमस्ते जी, आप कैसे हैं? How are you all? I hope you are fine. उम्मीद है आप अच्छे होंगे. So here this is our day 39 and here we are discussing one verb per day. So we are going to finish this C letter, then we will come to D. Okay, so today's verb is to cough. We are using here cough as a verb. That means खांसना, not खांसना, खांसना. खांसना. हाँ जी, yes, you are right. आप ठीक हैं. So the example is the child was coughing the whole night. The whole night is पूरी रात और सारी रात. Child is बच्चा singular. Was coughing the whole night. बच्चा सारी रात खांसता रहा because he was having the cough. So here we are using खांसना or to cough as a verb, not as a noun, not as an adjective. Then second is here, cover your mouth when you have cough. खांसते समय अपना मुंह ढक लें. Cover your mouth, अपना मुंह ढक लें. When you cough, खांसते समय और खांसते हुए. So together we can say खांसते समय अपना मुंह ढक लें. So this is kind of imperative sentence. And as I told you earlier as well, how to get stem or root verb from an infinitive form of the verb. Like to read is padhna. So we just need to cut down this na and then you will get the root verb. So in case of padhna, you will cut na and you will get pad. So pad is the root verb. So बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे. So have any query, any doubt, you can write me in the comment box or on this email ID. And just check my Instagram profile too and the Facebook for 101 class. You can join me on Skype.